Hi students, as we have started with the grammar section and we have completed so far we have completed with the two lessons, that is the sentence and the other one subject and predicate. So, we have seen what is a sentence and kinds of sentences, and the next part we have seen that how the sentence is divided into two classes. Now, the third thing we are going to see that the third thing is very important, which is very necessary in a sentence, that is parts of speech. Now, suppose if I give an example of our own body. Suppose this is our body, and what we have different parts of body, like we have hands, we have legs, we have eyes, we have ears, and these all parts of the body, they function in different way, or they all are having different properties and we use it. See, if you take only hand, it does not do the same function for the whole body. Hand is used for the working, or we can say we use our eyes to see. Here also we have some words which function in the sentence, and their functions are different. They their properties are different. They function in different ways in a sentence, and unless and until we have those words in the sentence, the structure or we can't form a sentence very properly. So, all these words, some of the words we need in a sentence to form a proper sentence or a meaningful sentence. And what are those all words called? Those all words are called as, here we can say, parts of speech. Okay. So, once again I will tell you what is parts of speech. Parts of speech is what? In a sentence there are some words which function or which work in a sentence, and they all have different properties, they all have different functions in a sentence, and those words are very necessary in a formation of a sentence or in a to form a structure of a sentence. So, those words are called as parts of speech. Now, you can see here the words that we write or say can be divided into 8 classes. They are called as parts of speech. See what they have told, the words that we write, whatever sentence we write or the words we write, whatever the words we say, those words whichever we write or whichever we say, they are divided into 8 parts or 8 classes, and those classes or those parts, they are called as parts of speech. Now, which are they? If you see here, parts of speech, the first one is a noun. If you see a noun, and what is a noun? Now, we can see there are 8 parts of speech, that is noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, all the shuns, that is preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now, we are going to see all the parts of speech in a detail. So, what is a noun? Noun, it is a name of a person, animal, place or a thing. For example, if I give a name, suppose I want to give a name as Rohan, or I can give a name as Suhana, or any other name of any person, or name of a place. Place is what? For example, we can take the name of a place, that is Solapur, or we can say Mumbai, Delhi. So, these are the names of the place. Or animals, we can say lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe and many more. Then thing we can say like a ball, bat, doll or table, chair. So, these are the names of person, animal, place or thing, and they are called as a noun. What is a noun? Once again, a noun is a name of a person, it is a name of an animal, it is a name of a place, and it is a name of a thing. If you see this example, Jay is going to the market with his dog to buy a ball. Now, all 4 names we can see here. See, Jay is a person's name, that is the name of a person. If you see market, market is also place. For example, we can give the other places like hospital, we can say, or garden, school, playground, these are also the places. Not only the names of the places like of the cities, we can say like the names of any other Places like market they have given over here, we can say garden, hospital, school, playground or theatres or malls. These are also the name of the places. Then dog, dog is an animal, a dog, cat, a cow or goat, lion, tiger and many more names of an animal. Then here they have given a name of a thing, that is a ball. So, in this sentence we can find all 4 names of a person, place, animal and thing. So, how we can define a noun? A noun is a name of a person, it is a name of an animal, it is a name of a place or a thing. Now, I want to give some more examples of noun. For example, I want to tell a name of a person. I will give a name of a person as an example. I can give a name, that is Milton. If I want to give the name of a animal, I can say elephant, or if I want to give a name of a place, I will say England. Then if I want to give a name of a thing, I can say a book. So, these are the names of a person, animal, place or thing, and that is the first part of a speech, that is a noun. So, let us move for the second one now. Second one is an adjective. Second one is an adjective. See what they have told, an adjective tells us more about a noun. See, if I want to describe a noun or if I want to tell a quality of a noun, so that time I am going to use one particular word before a noun, and that is called as an adjective. If I want to tell more information or if I want to qualify a noun or I want to describe a noun or I want to tell something more about a noun, that is called as an adjective, and that is a second part of speech, that is an adjective. Here you can see an example. The old man had 2 dogs. Now, they have given, here you can say what is a noun? Yes, noun is a man, and here also we can say dogs. So, what they are describing about a man, that he is an old, means they are telling something more about a man, that is he is an old man. And dogs, dogs means how many dogs they have told here? 2 dogs. They have mentioned that number of dogs. So, here we can say they are describing a noun, that is man, and that is dogs. So, they are telling about a man, that is he is an old man, and dogs, how many dogs there are there? There are 2 dogs. So, here we can say old and this 2, they are an adjective of the nouns old, man and dogs. So, what is an adjective, children? Adjective, it tells more about a noun, or it tells the quality of a noun, or it describes a noun, or it qualifies a noun. So, that part of speech is called as an adjective. Let us move to the third part of a speech, that is a pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. See, if I want to tell something about a noun, and again I am not going to take the name of that person, or again and again I am not going to say repeatedly I am not going to use the name of that person, place or animal or thing. I am going to use some other word instead of a noun, instead of a name. So, what will be that? That is called as a pronoun. If I want to say that Sita is a beautiful girl, and if I want to tell again something more about her, Sita is studying in 5th standard. Sita likes to play on the ground, or Sita is a beautiful girl. Again and again I am not going to use the word same Sita, Sita, Sita. I want to use the other word instead of Sita. Now, Sita is a girl. So, instead of Sita, the other word I am going to use as she, and that is a pronoun. Or if I want to say, if I will take this sentence that Mary studies in standard 10. Mary, she studies in standard 10th. And if I want to say further, Mary is very clever. Mary is an intelligent girl. Mary, she likes to play cricket. If I want to say like this, again and again I am not going to use the word Mary, Mary, Mary everywhere. I am going to use this some other word instead of Mary or a noun. That word I am going to use for Mary is she, because she is a girl, and that word is called as a pronoun. So, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. I am not going to repeatedly use the name of a person or animal or place or thing. Second time I am going to use some other word, and those words are called as a pronoun. They have given one example. He gave me the news yesterday. Now, instead of he, we can use the word, suppose if I want to use the other word, Rohit. Suppose if I write Rohit gave me the news yesterday. Now, if I want to use this sentence, some other sentence in front, suppose Rohit gave me the news yesterday and Rohit was not well. Suppose I am not going to use the word Rohit again in the second sentence. I am going to use the word he, because he is a boy. And here these words which we use instead of a noun, those words are called as a pronoun. In the example they have given, he gave me the news yesterday. So, he is a pronoun, and here me is also a pronoun. So, these words which we use in a place of a noun, they are called as a pronoun. For example, one more sentence if I use, he eats a mango, he is a pronoun, or she likes to play a guitar, she is a pronoun. So, these are some of the pronouns. This is the third part of a speech. Now, further if you see, the next part of speech is what? A verb. Next is a verb. What is a verb? Children, we do many actions. We write, we read, or we sing, we play, we dance. All these action words which a person does, which an animal do, those actions are called as a verb. A verb tells us what persons, animals or things they do, what they are or what they have. See what they are, what it is told that a verb is an action which is done by any person or any animals or any things. So, those action words are called as a verb. So, the verb it denotes an action. For example, they have given the Indian team beat the Australian team. Beat means they didn't hit them. Beat means what? They won the match. Indian team, they won the match against the Australian team. So, beat is what? They have done, it is one action. Then the students of our class are very intelligent. Now, here are, you might be worrying how are is a verb. Are is a being form of verb. The students of our class are very intelligent. The elephant has large ears. Here we can say the elephant has large ears. Here it denotes what they are. These words if you see, beat, are and has, what it is, what they are, means they are telling or what they have. What they have done, Indian team have beaten the Australian team. And second sentence if you see, the students of our class are very intelligent, means what they are very intelligent. And the elephant has large ears, or what they have, elephant what they have large ears. So, these are also some of the verbs. Again some more examples if we take, then he eats a mango, he eats a mango. Now, what is the verb here? Eats, means he is doing some action of eating. Then second, many other examples of an action we can say, that is read, I am reading a letter, or write, I am writing my notes. Then cut, she has cut her finger, or run, I like to run in the garden, or play, I play on the playground, or drink, I like to drink juice. So, these are some of the action words, and those action words they are called as a verb. So, if we have now we have seen 4 parts of speech. See once again, we will go in detail again. So, what I told, what are the parts of speech? In a sentence, the words, some words are there, they are specifically they are doing some function, means they are they have some properties, and those words which are used in a sentence, those words are called as parts of speech. Here we can see there are 8 parts of speech, that is noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. And we have seen what is a noun. Noun is a name of a person, it is name of an animal, it is the name of a place, and it is the name of a thing. And adjective we can say it tells more about a noun. It is describing a noun, or it tells the quality of a noun, or it tells more information, it gives more information about a noun. And what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. If you are talking about a boy, we use the word, we use a pronoun he, and if you are talking about a girl, we use a pronoun as she, or we are talking about an animal or thing, we use the word or a pronoun, we can say it. So, these are some of the pronouns where we use here, and a pronoun is what? It is a word which is used in place of a noun. And what is a verb? Verb, it denotes an action or it shows an action, and here we can, I told you some of the action words, they show some actions, that is reading, writing, dancing, singing, then running, playing, etc. All these are the action words. I hope children you have understood these 4 parts of speech. And now next we can say the next part of speech, these are the some 4 parts of speech we have seen so far. Now next will be, now next part of speech we will see it as here. Next part of speech is an adverb. So this is also one of the part of speech, and if you see, this is the 5th part of speech over here. See children. Yes. What is an adverb? An adverb, it tells more about a verb. Now, if I am doing an action, but in what sense or in what manner I am doing an action, that it tells in this adverb. What is an adverb? It tells more about a verb, another verb, or an adjective. In what way I am doing that action, and it describes the another adverb also, and or an adjective also. So that is an adverb, or we can say it modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Now for example, if you take one example, here one example they have given, the tortoise walked slowly. So which is an verb here? Which is a verb here? Here verb is walked. But how this tortoise it walks? It walks slowly, means it is telling more about this verb, isn't it? That how the tortoise walks. The tortoise walked slowly. The tortoise is walking slowly. So in what manner the tortoise is walking? It is walking slowly. So means it is telling more about a verb walked. For example, one more example, if we take, he ran fast. He ran fast. So which is a verb over here? Ran. Ran is a verb. And how he is running? He is running very fast. Means in what manner? In what way he is running? He is running very fast. If you take one more example, he drank very hot coffee. Now here if you see, it modifies the adjective. He drank very hot coffee. Now if you see, we are talking about an adjective also here. So what is an adjective over here? Hot, and it is describing a noun coffee. So what it is telling more about a coffee, and the here what they have told, coffee is very hot. But in what way or in what manner it is? It is very hot. Means we are modifying or we are telling something more about an adjective also. So that is also an adverb. Then it modifies the adverb it modifies the other adverb. How it modifies? Suppose if I say he worked quite hard. He worked quite hard. Now which is the verb here? Worked. He worked. Worked is a verb. And how he worked? Quite hard. Means it is modifying the other verb. Okay, other adverb. And which is one more adverb over here? Hard. So it is modifying the other adverb also. So here what is an adverb? An adverb, it tells more about a verb. It tells more about another adverb or another adjective. So that is this is the 5th part of speech, that is an adverb. Now next if you see, the next is preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition, it shows a relation between a noun, a pronoun, and some other word or words in a sentence. What is a preposition? It is a word used with a noun or a pronoun, and it shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun or with something else. For example, they have given, Samira sat on the chair. near the window. You can see here two prepositions are there, that is on and near. Now here they are showing the relation between Samira and chair. What they are telling, that Samira, where she is sitting? She is sitting on the chair, or we can say under the chair also we can say. So they are showing the relation between the two nouns. Which are those two nouns? Samira and chair. And they are showing the relation between these two nouns, that Samira, she is sitting on the chair. The word which is showing the relation between these nouns, that word is called as a preposition. If you see one more here, Samira sat on the chair near the window. One more relation they have told, that she is sitting on the chair and also she is sitting near the window. So here we can find three nouns are there, Samira, chair and window, and they are showing the relation with each other, that Samira, she is sitting on the chair and she is sitting near the window. So what is a preposition? It shows the relation between a noun, a pronoun and some other word or words in a sentence. Now next is conjunction. Next is conjunction. See here. What is a conjunction? A conjunction helps in joining words or group of words or some other sentences. The conjunction, it is the seventh part of speech, and that is conjunction. That what function it does, or what is the property of conjunction? It helps in joining the words. For example, Jitu and Mona are my classmates. Now here they are joining the words, some nouns, Jitu and Mona. So these two words are joined by one word, that is and that word is called as conjunction. Or we can say bat and ball, needle and thread, or we can say plate and bowl. So these two words they are joined by one word, that is called as a conjunction. Or we can say some group of words are also, they are also joined with one word, that is conjunction. For example, if you take group of words, if you want to take, see, the book was open but she was sleeping. The book was open. These are some of group of words, or we can say one sentence, but she was sleeping. She was sleeping is the other sentence. Okay, and these two sentences are joined by one word, that is but. So what they have told, a conjunction, what it is, it joins two words, or it joins two group of words or sentences, and that part of speech is called as a conjunction. So what is the function of a conjunction? It helps in joining the words or groups of words or sentences. And last part of speech we can see, it is an interjection. So what is an interjection? Here we can see they express some sudden feelings, like the feelings of joy, the feelings of surprise, or the feelings of sorrow. Now for example, they have given, hooray, my team has won. So here what is the feeling of feeling we can see in this sentence? That we are happy that my team has won the match, and this is the word which is used in the sentence to express the feeling. That word is called as an interjection. This is the last part of speech. And some more examples, if you say, alas, she is gone. Here we can say it is a sentence of a sorrow. Alas is a we can say it is one feeling, and then again we can say hooray, we have won. So hooray also we can say that is also one word which is used to express the feeling. So the words which we use to express the feelings, that word is called, or that part of speech is called as an interjection. And always if you see interjection, it is in that is the first word, and after that we put an exclamation mark in this interjection sentences. So I hope children you have all understood that what are the 8 parts of speech. Once again, if you see, the 8 parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, preposition, the conjunction and interjection. So these are the 8 parts of speech. Now children will move to the exercise over here. What they have given, see, exercise A, circle the nouns, underline the pronouns and draw boxes around adjectives in the following sentence. You are going to circle the nouns, whichever nouns or whichever names are there, you are going to circle it, and which are the pronouns, you are going to underline it, and whichever are the adjectives, you are going to draw boxes to the adjectives. If you take the first sentence, Suhana is a sweet girl. Now, which is a noun? Suhana. So, you are going to circle here Suhana, then underline the pronoun. The pronoun is not there. So, if you see here, it is an adjective, that is sweet. One more noun we can find here, it is girl. So, Suhana and girl is a noun. So, you have to circle them. And sweet is an adjective because it is describing this girl. It is telling the quality of this girl that she is sweet. So, this is an adjective. You have to draw a box to this sweet. Then second sentence, if you take, she wanted to buy the brown teddy bear. So, which is a noun? Yes, here you can say teddy bear is a noun. You can circle this teddy bear. Then which is a pronoun? Yes, she is a pronoun. So, underline this pronoun. Then which is an adjective? Brown, because it is describing a teddy bear. So, you have to put a box, you have to draw a box here to the brown, this word brown. So, she is a pronoun, brown is an adjective, and teddy bear is a noun. Third sentence, Sunny is riding the new bicycle. So, which is a noun? Sunny. So, you are going to circle the word sunny. Then bicycle is also a noun, it is a noun. So, you are going to circle it. And now, which is the pronoun? Pronoun is not there. So, which is an adjective? Yes, new, because it is describing a noun bicycle. So, you are going to draw a box to the word new, because it is describing a noun bicycle. Next, are you coming to see the football match? Here, which is a noun? Your noun is a, tell me which is a noun over here? Yes, noun is football match. Why? See, football match, it was also an adjective, because we are what we are doing here, we are describing a noun match, and also football is what? It is a noun. So, football match, you can circle it as a noun. And which is a pronoun? You. You is a pronoun. So, you is a pronoun, you underline you and circle this football match. Then, I can see two birds making a nest. Which is a pronoun? I. Then, which is a noun? Birds and nest. I is a pronoun, birds and nest is a noun, and we can see an adjective over here, that is two, means it is telling more about the noun birds, that how many birds are there? There are two birds. So, this is an adjective. So, draw a box over here. Next, only 2 weeks are left for them to arrive. Here we can see which is a noun over here? Weeks. Weeks is a noun. Now, it is describing how many weeks are there. So, which is the verb that is describing a noun week? Weeks, that is 2. This is an adjective. So, you are going to draw a box to this adjective, and which is the pronoun? Them. So, underline this word them. Next, we stay in a tall building. So, which is a noun? Noun is a building which we are describing, which is a name. So, it is a noun. And tall, tall we are describing this word noun, that is tall. So, this is an adjective. So, draw a box over here for the word tall, and we is a pronoun. So, underline it. And the last is I am hungry, please give me food. So, which is a noun here? Food. And then which are the pronouns? I and me. And which is an adjective? That is hungry, means I am telling something more about me, that I am hungry. So, hungry is an adjective. So, draw a box to this word hungry as an adjective. I hope children you all have understood this exercise. Plus, I will send you this exercise with the answers, so that you can copy down it in your workbook. I hope children you all have understood what are the 8 parts of speech. Those are noun, verb, pronoun, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition and interjection. So, these are the 8 parts of speech and we have seen everything in the detail. I hope you all have understood this parts of speech. Thank you children.